Well, we're going again. We got called down to the racetrack here because they're cleaning up after the races, and we got one buggy that blew a wheel during the race, and they just towed him off to the side, off the track, and now it's cleanup time. Got smeared off. You had a video of it. Okay. You shared it. That was a long time ago. Yeah. Track the trail. Local trail. Hey, sorry to bother. You know, a jump pack or anything that could help get something started on the truck. Will be on his way. Forgot to turn the pump on. My tire sitting right over there by the guys with the motor speaker by the bottom. Yep. My tire's sitting over there. Okay, so we can stop and grab that. Yep. Good. Can you lower it down anymore and we can back up underneath it more? Yep. Yeah. Loop it around this, lock it together, and then come back up to here and hook it onto here, so then it's not really going around the bar or nothing. You know what I mean? Sorry, but I'm standing in the machine. All right. A little bit more complicated than hooking up to the bumper and just pulling off. Yes. Yes, it is. But the beauty of it is most of these buggies are built like a tank, you know, so you just got to find a spot that you can put a chain around, you know, like you said. Yep. That's I'll get that when once I take it up. Yep. On this side of that arm, bud? That'd be okay.
I think if we just...
10-4, you can head back.
I can go right here too.
I think if we just go around here like this.
Okay. We'll get like, you know, snug.
Yep. I'm sure.
Right.
Which one you wanted? This one?
That one. Yeah, that
Well, that's...
Yeah, that'll be better. Okay. Larry has $100 for you for racing. Oh. Well, that's better than a stick in the eye.
Yeah. Now your bill's gonna be fucking expensive.
Not my bill.
Okay, should we tighten this one up? It looks like it's pretty loose.
I don't know. See if we can go another link.
I got one more out of it.
Okay, that'll do. Then just like that.
All right.
There
Let's
we
go
go.
collect our money.
Yeah. Okay, we got him on the hook. We got to go collect his prize money on the way out and his tire.
That one's a little heavy.
Hey, I'm staying at camp tomorrow to make sure you're not towing me back.
No, we're not.
Oh.
That's boring.
Stand one up or just lay it down here.
Yeah, just make a pile.
Just set it right underneath the deal. We can grab my jack and put it right under it right away.
I hate standing them up because then they tip.
Tip.
Yeah. Enough?
Yeah, I think that'll work. We got jacks and shit.
No, you can't.
We are leaving after the rock run.
Yep.
I set it down right on the hook. There we go.
Yeah. He was just looking to say something up.
All right, well, we got him back to camp, and same camp as the other buggy, so they're gonna fix it and wheel tomorrow, I think.
Do the rock race, call it a day.
Do the rock race, yeah. Fix it for that.
Thanks again, man.
Yeah, no problem. Take care. Okay, it's Saturday. The race is over, and we got our afternoon rush. Get through the out traffic here. We got a call for one on COVID-19 out on White. So we're gonna see if we can sneak in White exit here and head out there. Oops, I'm not on White exit, I'm on White entrance. That's all right. I usually go out the exit than there is going in.
Yeah.
Traffic is usually backed up going in.
Oh yeah. Even at later times like this?
No, that's why it doesn't really matter right now.
I suppose.
They going in the exit, we would have came right through there.
Okay.
You know, and six one, half dozen the other.
Yeah.
And we would have been over there. And we meet up again right up here.
Alright.
But to somebody that doesn't know the trails,
Oh yeah.
you know, they have no idea that you're that close.
Yeah. Well, I didn't. I
Yeah.
had no clue.
Right.
Corey's real back. We got some people pretty stuck here. They're just wondering how much time do we give them? Like, what time do they need to be out of here by?
Everyone has to be out of the woods by 8 p.m.
That's what.
Well, we're gonna cut down the bypass here as soon as they, right in the middle, I think.
So he's right at the bottom, both upper control.
The bottom over
Right at the bottom of here.
the beginning of it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And he's got no upper control arms.
Okay.
So-
And he's facing this way?
He's facing up.
Okay, and the front control arms?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So, I don't know if you caught that on video, but it's a Jeep Cherokee. It's down here. He isn't really on the obstacle. He's on the bypass. He's facing this way. He's got both upper control arms broken on the Jeep. And there he is right there, I bet. Is this the one I'm after?
This is it.
Okay. All right, we'll spin around and back up to you and get hooked up.
We broke the control arms off, so
Yeah, we got it handled.
rip it.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
That's low enough. Yep. And no, we're gonna go straight up over the top. I gotta send somebody up. We're gonna go straight up over the top. His rear is not spinning. Okay, he's in neutral now. Okay. Well, we made it up that hill. Now it's out the rest of the trail. Well, we got him out of the woods. Now it's back to camp.
Oh, it's in gear. It wasn't in neutral, it was always in gear.
Ah.
Alright, you're good now.
That's all right. Don't hurt the truck at all. Yep. All right, they're back at their campsite, and maybe we're done for the day. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, well, I think we're done. We'll check in with the Trail Shack. But thanks for watching. BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling. Be safe out there. And maybe we'll see you in the woods.